Well, hello there. Welcome back to XMS Angelito. We got another project going on here. So the guns are always laying down on the floor, just like all over the place. We got rid of some of them because he had way too many. So he kind of kept the ones that he really likes. But we need a place or storage. So then, like always, went to YouTube and found a video where they make a wall with some pegboard, some hooks, and they place them over the wall, on the wall. So let's go to the store. Let's get the pegboard, some 1x2s. Let's create the frame, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm sure it'll be better than just being there on the floor. So we are back from Home Depot. We're back from the store. We got this, the 2x4s. We got the pegboard. I went and bought 2 pieces. I didn't want to be cutting, so I didn't buy the whole sheet of pegboard. So I just got 2 pieces. I put a little more than if you just get the whole sheet, but I just wanted it to have it ready. So right there, I'm cutting 4 pieces at 4 feet wide, and then the sides I cut it like a 20-something inches. You cut it as however you want to do it, but the way I did it is 4 on top, 4 at the bottom, and 20-something inches on the sides, and it'll be pretty sturdy. So I mean, it's not like we're putting a ton of guns or heavy guns. They're all plastic, so it should be more than fine. Okay, guys, I know some of you guys are gonna be like, you didn't even get a pencil screwdriver. You're marking it with a screwdriver. There's always an easier way to do things. Here's one that never fails. Just come over, you measure it with your fingers, and then just take it to the piece you're gonna measure. And bam! That was the hair off. I was like over here, but for the project that I'm doing, it's good enough. I'll take it. For small projects like that, it'll work. You don't have a tape measure, you don't have a pencil, just grab it, bam, take it, and right on the money. Never fails. Right here, I'm cutting the pieces that will be going on the side. Like I said, it's like 21 inches, 20 and a half, something like that. That little piece right there, if you're gonna be if you're gonna do spray paint, I highly recommend getting one of those things. Because after you start pressing the button for a while, the fingers get numb, and with this stuff, it's more accurate. It sprays nice, and you don't get as tired like if you do it without it. So yes, I do highly recommend getting one of those things. I think it's only like $3-4 at the store, and trust me, you'll thank me later. So if you're gonna go buy spray paint, might as well get that thing. So yes, right here I'm painting them, painting on the sides, and it's not perfect. We're not looking for perfection. Those things are gonna go on the back. I just didn't want them showing like too much. So we're back in the house. It was already dark outside, and I didn't have the right screws. These ones were a little too long, and it was already late, so I couldn't go back to the store. But I wanted to have everything ready. I said I'll go tomorrow and get the right screws, but it just make it faster. Kids were already sleeping, and I just wanted to I just wanted to have it ready for the next day. Right here, we're looking for the stud, and I found one, and then a little piece on top. It's the lacer, and I just wanted to be right on the money. So I used the lacer to pre-drill the hole, and then for the bottom piece as well. So yes, I was using that. I was using the stud finder and the laser. Or you can just go along the line, the holes, just use your finger and then just go all the way down, and it'll be the same thing. Whatever is easier, whatever works. I had the tool there, use it. And right here you can see, nice and straight. I was very happy with it. Was getting it ready to mount the first piece. Like I said, you can buy the whole sheet. It's cheaper, like $5-6 cheaper. But I wanted to have two pieces. One, it just makes it a little harder to work with. So I went ahead and bought both pieces, two pieces. And yes, they can cut it for you as well, but since you gotta wait there 20-30 minutes for those guys to come over and help you out. And sometimes they'll give you an attitude, or they'll just probably tell you, hey, we sold them already pre-cut. And so anyways, like I was saying, you can just once you find a stud and you put the one on the top, just follow it with your finger, and you should be just fine. And it was looking good. But my drill was already running out of juice, and I think that was the last one, the last screwdriver. Yep. So I had to get the screwdriver and do it by hand. Another reason why I made the entire frame, with the 1x2s on all around, it's because I didn't want to make too many holes on the wall. There's only 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, the ones that go into the stud, and then the rest of the screws are on the frame, on the 1x2s. And right here I was painting the screws with the black marker, so so it doesn't look a little nasty there. So that way it's all black. I bought some hooks, 50 pieces. I think it was only like $6 at Harbor Freight. And then they're good enough, for what we're going to use them. So this is the next day. Let's check it out. Whoa. Look at that. Looks nice. Looks clean. Yeah. He was very happy. When he woke up the next day. Remember, I was working through the night, he was really happy to see the finished product, and so was I. So anyways, guys, if you like this, or maybe you kids have guns around the floor, I think this is a very nice way to keep it nice and clean, and it makes it look nice. It looks nice. His little friends came over and they were like, wow, this looks cool, this looks so nice. So yeah, we were all happy with the finished product. But yes, please go ahead, give us a like, that way YouTube knows that we are creating some content here, and more people get to see it. Give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching XMS Angelito. See you guys. God bless you.